What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage here. Bored out of my gourd, looking for something to do. I'm going to get something to eat from a favorite chicken joint here in the South. So I just thought I'd do a little, POV of me going and getting something for lunch. How exciting. But I haven't uploaded anything in a couple of days, and I'm just looking for stuff to, I guess, kind of vlog or film. I'm not a very good vlogger, though. Like some of those guys. Some of those guys are really talented at that shit. We won't drive the Escape. We'll drive the Benz. Been a few days since I've driven the Benz. So this is going to be a cold start. And I'm going to actually show you. Okay, glow plug off. Now, if I glow plug her about 3 times, she won't start quite this rough. Uh-oh. I'm going to have to do it anyway. I think I've got a glow plug, probably a couple of glow plugs. You get a lot of injector knocking. Oh yeah, there's some people walking by and they're totally staring. They're like, what in the hell? It sounds like a 1986 GM 6.2 diesel. 82 Suburban. But she smooths right out. I mean, I don't know why she makes all this damn racket, but just smooths right out. Damn good running car. I've been getting good gas. I've been getting good diesel mileage as well. I put that 20 bucks in it over the, let's see, last Sunday, and it 20 bucks, and it put it just a little over the halfway mark on the fuel tank, and I'm just below it now. But I literally have just driven to work, home, work, home, work, home, and work's not far. I mean, it's 10 miles maybe from here, so 20-mile round trip. But it is like 50-something degrees today. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon. It's like in the 50s here in Georgia. That is like stupid cold for May. I mean, we're well into May now. What is it, May 9th? So it's cold for May. But that doesn't hurt my feelings, because I can't stand how hot it gets here in the summer. How humid, sticky, and it gets miserable. Especially if you work, somewhere like I do, in a sheet metal shop. No air conditioning in there. Hope everybody's doing well. Comment, let me know how everybody's doing. If anybody's been affected by this outbreak, any friends or family members been infected. Nobody related to me has gotten it, but a couple of close family friends have. And one actually died from it. Probably one of the richest men in our little hometown there. He was a real innovator in the carpet industry. He was 93 though, but hey, he still got up, got his Mercedes S-Class, always drove a new S-Class. He traded about every 2 years. He must have leased every 2 years. And he would go to his office. I don't know if he did anything, but he would go to his office. But anyway, Jack, he passed away, and he's just a sweet old guy. But he got it and literally passed away within 48 hours. And then my cousin, the one that drives the Acura MDX, her first husband, he actually got it and brought it home to his wife and kids and a bunch of people at his church. But they've all recuperated, but spent some time in the hospital as well. So it's crazy, man. Crazy 2020. 2019 was not the best year for me. Neither was 18. And now it's 20 is just even nuts. I'm just worried about the economical ramifications of all this. What is this going to do? I mean, we're still busy at our shop. We got plenty to do. But, you just worry about the long-term effects of it all and other people and small business owners. I mean, what the hell's going to happen to them? I hate it. Check out this cat. It's a little windy out today. Don't know if you can see the trees are blowing around quite a bit. Waiting for chicken. Man, the line was wrapped around this place. Dude. We're moving. Yes. Got my chicken. Man, it's a beautiful day. I ought to go find a park to go eat this at. Oh. A lot of people out today. Really, it's kind of a surprise. They've kind of opened Georgia back up. As I'm sure if you've even turned on a television set, you probably heard about it on the news. We were, I think, the first state to declare we were opening back up. But a lot of our favorite places and establishments have decided not to reopen because they don't think it's safe. So, even though they have the opportunity to open and go back to work, a lot of places are choosing not to. Just because, it's still not safe, I don't think. We never shut down at work. I mean, we never close because we're busy. I mean, we're associated with the construction industry. We got busier, if anything. It was totally insane. But luckily, I'm not working with 400 people. I work with like 3 or 4. And we're never standing together at the same time. We're all doing our own thing at our own machine, and 2 of those people have already been tested just for the hell of it, and they're fine. I thought about going and just we have the little drive-throughs here. You can just drive through, don't even get out of your car. They test you, and you get your results in about 3 or 4 days. Been thinking about doing that, but I don't know. What do y'all think about me painting the Mercedes? I'm thinking about it. I know I've mentioned it in the past. I just have kind of gone back and forth whether I ought to spend that much money. But I think she's worthy of a paint job. I'm going to patch those holes up in the back with some putty. And I still haven't had time to get by a Mako. There's not one right here in my town. I have to go a little closer to Atlanta to get to one. So I'm thinking about it. Comment below. Y'all like, subscribe. Hope everybody's doing well. I know this wasn't much of a video, but I just wanted to say hey and good Saturday afternoon to everybody. I hope everyone's well. I appreciate everybody that has subbed. But yeah, if you're watching, like, subscribe, please comment, throw a comment down below about what you're thinking about, whatever. And hopefully we can get some more car content going here soon. I need the auctions to fire back up, and they just really haven't yet. So y'all have a good one. We'll talk to you later on. Peace.